So let's do another one. Let's look at these. We've got our group of 10. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we still have 10 purple ones. And then we're going to separate it into a group of 10 and then a group of however many is left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to put 10 and 6. And we can look and see what is 10 and 6. So let's come back over here to our cards and see that 10 and 6 is 16. So in the lesson today, we're taking a larger number than we've been looking at, and we're splitting it up to see if we take a 10 out, how many is left, okay? And all this does is this just setting us up to be able to add easier in the future. If you can look at the number, say, let's see, what was that one? Let's say that this is 17. And we think about it as a group of 10 and 7 others. This is just going to help us in the future to be able to add large numbers in our head if you can figure this out. So all we're doing is taking the large number and looking at, if we separate the group of 10 out, how many are left? And in this case, it's 10 and 7. All right, guys, here's a card that has 10 dots on it. This card is full. It has 10. Now, if I had another card beside it that had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots, how many is this altogether? We've got one set of 10, so you know it's going to be 1, and 7 others. So it's going to be a 1 and a 7. This is acting just like those rods that we did. So instead of a 10 rod, we have a 10 card. So this shows that there's one group of 10 plus 7 more. So what number is this? It's 17. Now, I want you to look. Let's change this number out. Let's change it to something else. Okay, and then let's take another group of 10. And let's see here. We'll do this one. Now, if I were going to look at this number and this number as two separate numbers, I want to see which one of these two numbers is going to be larger. Now, both numbers start with 10. There's 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 18. This one also has 10, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this one is 1 and 9, it's 19. So which one has more? 19 is greater. We say greater if it's a bigger number, okay? But I want to tell you a trick. You don't even have to look if the numbers both have a set of 10 in them. You don't even have to look at this to see which one is greater. You can just look at the single digit and see that this number is greater than this one without having to worry about that other card. Okay, so let's look at these two numbers. They both have a set of 10. So which number is greater? We can look just at the second card and see which one is greater. This one's going to be greater. Well, let's see how much. This is a 10, one set of 10, and 9 extra. So that one's going to be 19. Let's remember that. This one also has a set of 10, but it only has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that one's going to be 17. Now again, you don't have to count all of these dots to know which one is greater or which one is less. You don't have to worry about it if they both have a set of 10. Just look at the other digit.